In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down right away. Then select Advanced Features and scroll all the way down. From here, click on Dual Messenger and tap on the switcher next to an app that you want to clone. In my case, it's only Facebook, so I have to click on the switcher next to it, select Install in this pop-up, and wait. If you want to, you can always click on this switcher as well, next to Use Separate Contact List if you wish to. But I will just go back, and now when I try to find Facebook app, I can see that mine was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!